here in EMEA, Avigilon can add a tremendous amount of value to our partners. We offer an extremely compelling end-to-end solution. Conversely to that, we're a very open platform. Our products are completely OPA compliant. We continue to invest heavily in R&D, and in many respects, we control our own destiny, our own resources.
You know, even today, really what excites me about the company is the growth and innovation. You know, we are never content. We continue to expand and look for opportunities to grow our business, whether it be through a geographical area or even a specific vertical. And we're doing that through continued innovation.
Avigilon is challenging everything. It's challenging the technology. It's challenging the industry, the way of doing things, the growth. We challenge ourselves working in Avigilon.
I looked into it and did some research and decided this is where I want to be. The technology is just far superior to anything I've ever seen before.
What makes Avigilon stand out? Many things, mainly how innovative they are in the industry. They're always leading the market and always one step ahead of the game.
Working for a company that's leading and not following. I've learned a lot as a manager. I've learned a lot as a person. I've learned to push the boundaries. It's been an exciting time.
We help our customers to be better in their businesses, to be more profitable. And they provide something that differentiates them from the rest.
5 years from now, where I see Avigilon is continuing to evolve into a market leader. You know, we are more than just a security and solutions provider, but really a technology leader. And what we're moving towards as an organization is not only expanding our business, but continuing to evolve the way people think about security.